Meaning of fishing line.
Fishing line.
Fishing line.
Fishing line.
Fishing line. A fishing line is a long, thin cord made of materials such as nylon or fluorocarbon that is used in fishing to attach a hook or lure to a fishing rod. The line is cast into the water and then pulled back in, hopefully with a fish attached to the hook or lure. Some fishing lines are designed to be nearly invisible underwater, while others are thicker and stronger for catching larger fish. A good quality fishing line can make a big difference in the success of a fishing trip.